Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing a single top washing machine with a 2 kilogram capacity. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to use it and sharing my honest review. So I got this washing machine with the desire to make life easier and save time, since I literally do laundry every 2 to 3 days. This washing machine also comes along with a drying basket and this tube, which I tried to understand but didn't know its use. I only know that it fits into the panel, but from there, what next? And the manual didn't give sufficient information or instructions about its use. Well, let's just leave it there and get to the main part. So the first thing to do is to get our machine connected to power supply. Next thing, I fill up the washing tub with water sufficient enough to soak my clothes before adding some detergents followed by my clothes. This white shirt which I just wore to the gym is particularly very dirty. I don't know who I was fighting with, but it's a mess. But I'm actually glad it's so dirty because it will give us a good test of the machine's cleaning power. Seeing how dirty this particular dress is, I decided to add more detergent. Now I'm just gonna add a few more color-friendly clothes to the top and set the timer for 10 minutes. Here, that's an advantage. While this is washing, I can do other things. Like now, I'm just gonna take a break and do some other thing like make breakfast or wash my shoes or something else. Guys, while that is washing, let's chat a little. I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to all my returning subscribers. And if you are new here, please do well to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post videos like these, as well as other very interesting contents like vlogs, DIYs, and a lot more. So the 10 minutes are up and the washing timer has gone off. It's time for the moment of truth. Here's the first white shirt we put in. Let's see how clean it is. Whoa, I am impressed. You can clearly see the difference from when I placed it in the washing machine to now. It's much cleaner. I did really underestimate the power of this washing machine based on its size. So I'm just taking out the rest of the laundry and checking the dirty spots on the dresses. Honestly, they are good to go. They are all clean. Now I'm about to put a second load of clothes that includes this pair of jeans. It's worth noting that when washing such clothes, you have to zip up and also button them before putting it into the washing tub. Also check your pockets, you may have some money. Once again, I set the timer on, but this time to just about 5 minutes because this pair of trousers is not too dirty. And while it's washing, I go ahead and do some other work around my house. Once that is done, now I'm ready to discard the water from the washing tub and replace with clean water so I can add another set of laundry. This time around, I want to wash my whiter clothes, so I'll be adding Lacroix to my detergent and water. I'd like us to also review this machine's ability to wash towels. So I have this white towel that's very dirty. So let's put it in and see what we get. This time I set the timer to 10 minutes. If you're enjoying this video, please do give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this washing machine. If you've used it, what has your experience been? Another moment of truth. Let's see how it did with the towel. Again, I least expected this. I really underestimated the power of this washing machine. I didn't think it was going to wash this towel this clean. Well, it's not 100% clean. I still have to brush it a little, but I'll give it a 7 on 10. That was the last set of clothes I had for washing, so I just discarded the water from the tub and rinsed it with clean water to get it soapy out. Now I'm just putting in some clean water into the tub so that I can rinse the clothes. I would like to know what you think. Is this a great idea? Was it a great choice? And will you get a single tub washing machine as this one? The last thing I would like us to review is the drying system of this machine. So I rinsed and squeezed the last set of clothes a bit, then placed them into the drying basket, let the water out of the washing tub through the discharge tube. I then put in the drying basket to fit into the wavy wheel and set the timer on and let that spin for about 3 to 5 minutes. So once the timer went off, I checked the clothes. Unfortunately, on squeezing them, water still oozed out, so the drying system isn't very effective. It is a no. In summary, the washing aspect of this machine is great. It's flexible, fits into small spaces, and it's ideal for small loads. While the drying system could use some improvement, I can definitely recommend this washing machine for single use. It's a great deal for me and has greatly helped me manage my time. I honestly can't wait to hear your thoughts on this mini washing machine. After watching, drop a comment below and let me know, is it a thumbs up or a no-go for you? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, drop a comment. Till next time. Bye bye.